In this short video, we will motivate and introduce the Attestation Gateway, which was developed within the TERMINET project. Let us start with a brief refresher on remote attestation, which is one of the cornerstones in trusted computing. In remote attestation, a client wants to know whether a node, for example a device or service, is in a well-defined, healthy state or compromised. In a nutshell, for answering this question, we run an attestation protocol between the client and the node, where the client basically asks the node whether it's okay, and the node responds accordingly to its state. Obviously, this protocol cannot be that simple, and additional mechanisms are needed to make the node's answer trustworthy. For instance, the node, often also called the prover in the protocol, uses some dedicated hardware module as a root of trust to perform its state measurements. The measurements are then checked by the client, which is often called the verifier in the context. This respective protocol and the root of trust depends on the type of the device. IoT deployments in particular are highly heterogeneous in the sense that they include a wide range of nodes, like powerful compute nodes to small devices with limited computing resources. Various clients may have access to those nodes and use them in one way or the other. For instance, a client runs a service on a server that analyzes data obtained from the sensors like cameras. To secure the service, the client wants to attest the devices. To this end, the client must use several attestation services on different interfaces and protocols. This makes attestation cumbersome. It results in a huge burden on the client, and the client may decide not to use attestation at all, although the security guarantees it provides. We turn now to the Attestation Gateway. The setting is as discussed previously, namely a large number of nodes of different types, multiple clients, and various attestation services. To reduce the burden on the clients, we developed within the TERMINET project the Attestation Gateway. Clients do not need to connect to the various attestation services. Instead, they use the Attestation Gateway. Depending on the attestation request, the Attestation Gateway triggers the corresponding attestation services and obtains and collects the requested attestation results. The Attestation Gateway provides a uniform API for attestation for the clients and supports multiple attestation services. Finally, it maintains and stores attestation data for later requests and auditability. Let us conclude by summarizing the Attestation Gateway. First, note that the Attestation Gateway can be understood as a middleware between the devices and the clients. From the client's perspective, it is agnostic to the device type and the attestation protocol. It can also act as a proxy between the clients and the proprietary attestation solutions like Intel's attestation service for SGX. Clients, based on their permissions, can also request and query attestation results, which are stored by the Attestation Gateway. The Attestation Gateway aims to unify and simplify attestation from the client's perspective. To this end, it provides a simple but powerful REST API, which, for example, supports attestation groups and assigning permissions to clients. Finally, the Attestation Gateway is an integral part of the TERMINET platform. It is a key component of the vertical security and privacy layer. In particular, the Attestation Gateway is used to secure the deployment of services across the platform by the WOW, another TERMINET component. Thank you for your attention. Further details on the Attestation Gateway in particular and about the TERMINET project in general can be found in the links shown here.